Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We've been putting together our easy install kits with plug-and-play harnesses and pre-tuned DSPs for a while now. So we're putting together a kit for Joseph for his 2020 Road Glide and his friend Sean with his 2015 Street Glide. And then Joseph brought something to my attention. Our Stage 1 kit normally has an 800.4 Evo X. So Joseph asked if we could use two 400.4s instead and bridge them. I don't know why I never thought of it, but it's genius. It's 100% right. So instead of getting 100 to 125 watts to each of the four speakers, you end up bridging the amplifier and you end up getting just over 200 watts to each speaker. And the kit comes out to almost the same price. So thank you, Joseph, for bringing that to my attention. And it still fits in the NVS Audio amp mounting plates for the Street Glide and the Road Glide. For the Road Glide, there's a little bit of modification to the radio bracket. You have to trim the inside corners. But for the Street Glide, there is no modification at all. So what's nice about this is it gives you an extra 100 watts per channel. And then being that the Sound Digital Evo X 800.4 is $450, the 800.4 is $450. The 400.4 is a lot less expensive. It's $250. So you get 100 watts more per channel, and you're only going up in price about $50. So thank you, Joseph, for bringing that to my attention. So now we will offer a Stage 1 and a Stage 1 Plus. So the Stage 1 Plus is two 400.4s. If you're running four speakers, you bridge four of them, and it'll give you 400 watts per speaker. Check out what the kit looks like. So this is the Street Glide kit. This is where it bolts to the factory radio bracket. And then the amplifier is bridged. And these are the harnesses that are going to go to the lowers. Depending on how your bike's set up, this could be rears or lowers. And then the harness that goes to the front is already pre-wired in our T harness that goes to the DSP. Here's power, ground, fusing, and a nicely put together kit. DSP tucks on the clutch side pocket next to the radio. This one for the Road Glide. So this kit fits 2014 to 2021 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. This kit fits 2015 to 2021 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. There's our Road Glide mounting bracket, so it slides right under the radio and it bolts into place right where the Boom Audio amplifier bolts in. Same thing, we have our power harness, we have our lowers or our rear speaker harness, and the front speaker harness is pre-wired into the T harness DSP. Nice and simple, super neat, super clean. Okay, now we just gotta flash the radios, pair them up to the DSPs, activate CarPlay on this one, flash the EQ flat on this one, flash the EQ flat on that one, and ship them back out.